What's up, guys? Welcome back to the journey. Hopefully you guys are subscribed and following along. Today we're going to do something different, something a little fun. I'm going to call this the 2021 awards ceremony for my avocados. So we're going to go through each and every category, and I will give you what I think the winners are based off of the different categories. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the team. Trying to grow some avocados in Southern California, going through some challenges, but then hopefully succeeding at the very end. So follow along, all right, you guys? All right, category number one is fastest grower. So nominee number one, this is my bacon. I'll show you some video footage of it at the beginning of the year, and I'll clip in video footage of what it looks like right now. So this is my bacon, nominee number one. All right, nominee number two, my Hass avocado. So I'll show you guys some video footage earlier in the year of what my Hass looked like, and this is what it looks like today. Nominee number three, my second reed avocado. So video footage of it earlier and video footage of it today. So this is what it looks like today. Okay, this might be a little controversial, but the winner is my reed, and I'll tell you why. So the way that I calculate fastest is from when it started with a new shoot, which is what this is, and how far, how tall that shoot actually grew. So this reed had the tallest, longest shoot, and in second place was actually my Hass avocado, and in third place, even though my bacon was huge and actually grew big compared to when I first got it, it actually is in third place. All right, so my award for the comeback kid goes to my Stewart. Here it is. So this Stewart got almost taken out in the 2018 heat wave, and I just kind of left it here and just kind of babied it a little bit, and then I added additional water, which in the last year kind of helped out, because look what it's doing now. It's actually making a little bit of a comeback. So this is why I'm calling this the comeback kid. As you can see with the Stewart, I had to cut it a couple times, and then it's finally making a little bit of a comeback from here. My next award goes to most disappointing avocado. So here are the nominees. Nominee number one, most disappointing, is my Kona Charwell, which has made a comeback and then died back, made a comeback and then died back again, and you can see it's trying to make another comeback here. So I'm gonna see if I could zoom into the buds, which are looking like it's coming back, but it does this every time and then just dies back. So nominee number one. All right, so nominee number two is my Pinkerton, which grew and then slowly died, and then grew and then slowly died, and I eventually ended up taking it out and replacing it with another Pinkerton. So here we are trying to figure out which one it is. And the winner is, for 2021, for most disappointing, my Pinkerton. And this is the outcome of what I had to do to kind of make a change. Essentially, it just didn't do well. It ended up getting ripped out, and here is what we have. We've replaced it with another Pinkerton, and this one's looking good. Next category, and this category is for most fruitful. So as you know, I think there's only one winner for this year, and the winner is my bacon, because I only got fruit from my bacon. And here's my last fruit that I have, which I'm gonna pick today. Here it is, and I'll show you some footage of my fruit that I picked earlier also. Here it is, my bacon, my last bacon, picking it in December. But this is the category that I'm hoping will be awesome next year. And this year the winner is my bacon avocado. This is a nice sized fruit. I'm gonna go weigh it and see how much this one weighs. But the one I picked last week weighed 14.8 ounces. So this is what it looks like. And let's see how much this one weighs. Alright, so it weighed in at 14.5 ounces, which is a pretty good size. So sad that we only got one nominee, which is okay, because the great part is that we at least got a nominee and we actually got some fruit, so that's awesome. But this is what my bacon's doing right now. It's flowering. This is like December. So if yours are flowering, comment down below. And the winner for my most unique variety goes to the Esther, which is that right there. So I'm pretty excited about this Esther, and looking forward to getting some fruit out of it. Alright, one last award for 2021, and the award category is Best IPA or Beer of the Year. As you know, we've been enjoying different types of IPAs and beers throughout the year. I'll kind of flash them throughout this little segment here so you can actually see each and every one of those varieties. But I'll have to try to decide out of all of these IPAs which one I thought was the best. And the award for the best IPA actually goes to whatever beer you're drinking today. And today we are drinking this, which is supposedly one of the best IPAs that you can buy if you can find it. And I like how it says drink from the can right on the top there. So the Alchemist in Vermont, if you can find this, get it. This is actually a really good beer. So hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. Cheers everybody, and off to 2022.